Hey guys, good morning. Welcome back to our channel, The Eaton Squad. My name is Addie. So for today's video, power bank, ipinagbabawal na sa mga domestic and international flight. Totoo ba ito? Details coming right. So ito, may panibagong bawal na naman tayong dadalhin para sa ating mga flight, whether this is domestic or international flight. Ang CAAP, ito ay Aviation Authority dito sa Pilipinas na magbaban ng mga power bank. Alam naman natin kapag bumibili tayo ng mga power bank, may may iba't ibang wattage. Yung 100 to 160 wattage, for approval yon, hindi mo siya basta-basta na lang dalhin. Kaya may mga pagbabago sa aviation industry, lalong-lalo na kung ikaw ay pauwi ng Pilipinas. Ipinagbabawal na talaga yung mga medyo may malakasang power bank na dinadala during travel to the Philippines. Ito ay dahil sa kadahilanan ng isang insidente ng isang airline na nasunog dahil nga nag-apoy yung kanilang power bank sa kanilang mga carry-on bags. Kaya, for precaution, please be very careful bringing power banks now on your flight. Kasi parte na siya sa mga prohibited items. So, this will apply in both arrival and departure from the Philippines. Ayon sa CAAP, all power banks exceeding 160 watt-hours are strictly prohibited on both international and domestic flight. In-announce nila yan noong Tuesday. Eric Apolonio said, siya po ang spokesperson ng CAAP, that agencies, flight operations officials are coordinating with local and foreign airlines at NAIA and other major airports nationwide to regulate the use of power bank. These devices, classified as portable lithium-ion battery packs, are being scrutinized following an incident last February 28 in which an Air Busan aircraft caught fire at Jimhai International Airport, reportedly due to an overheating power bank inside carry-on. So, power bank comes handy when your batteries are low, your phones are low, and stuff, and you need a quick charge. But unfortunately, ipagbabawal na nila ito. Depende sa wattage ng inyong mga power bank. So, between 100 to 160 wattage, yung capacity niya ba, kailangan yon ng approval from the airline na pwede siyang dalhin. Kasi alam nyo naman, yung mga lithium batteries and stuff, they are not allowed on your check-in baggage. Pwede lang siya sa carry-on. But now that they are prohibiting this item, depending on its capacity, so 100, between 100 to 160, kailangan ng airline approval. It requires an airline approval. So 160, pataas, totally ban talaga yan sa mga airline. Kung 100 wattage pababa, it doesn't need an approval. It doesn't need a prior approval. So, kung magdadala kayo ng power bank at na-fall ito sa capacity ng inyong power bank, 100 to 160 in between, kailangan nyo ng prior approval from the airline. So, it's best that you guys coordinate with your airlines kung balak yung magdala ng power bank. Kasi alam ko, most travelers, they bring power bank. Kung ayaw nyong ma-hassle, especially, hindi nyo alam na bagong patakaran na naman ito, make sure you follow and read the general information of the airline you are flying with, kasi may mga prohibited items din sila. May mga allowed items that you can bring with you on your carry-on, your personal bag, and your check-in bag. So, eto. Kasi isa ito sa mga devices na dinadala ng ating mga kababayan sa Pilipinas. Kasi nga, gamit na gamit talaga siya kung lowbat ka na. But unfortunately, because of that incident with Air Busan na nag-overheat yung kanilang power bank na nasunog, ipagbabawal na talaga ito. I don't know if it's going to be worldwide or ang Philippines lang ang mag-e-impose nito, but definitely it's going to be an issue with the aviation industry. Kaya doon sa mga uuwi at paalis ng Pilipinas, please make sure to check with the airline policies kung ano yung pwede nyo dalhin. But this one specifically for power bank, bawal na po siya, depende sa capacity ng inyong mga power bank. Nakalagay naman yan sa mga power bank ninyo kung yung ano yung wattage nila. Kaya hindi naman siya mahirap alamin kung ano yung wattage ng mga power bank ninyo. Tsaka i-check nyo din, bago kayo bumili ng power bank, alam nyo din dapat yun yung wattage ng inyong mga power banks. Kaya heads up mga kababayan ko and to our fellow foreign nationals who are using power bank, there are only certain power bank varying on their wattage hour that you can bring on board on the airline you are flying with to the Philippines, because as the authorities are saying, they are now coordinating with the local flights as well as foreign airlines with this issue on power bank. So 100 wattage bababa doesn't require any prior approval. 100, between 100 to 160, it requires an airline approval. 160 and up, that's totally falls under the prohibited item. So, heads up lang po ito. Baka isa kayo doon sa hindi pa narinig ang balitang ito at nadala ninyo yung mga power bank ninyo na bawal na pala. Kaya mag-ingat po kabayan sa mga dadalhin nating mga items sa Pilipinas para hindi tayo ma-hassle, hindi tayo ma-delay at hindi mag-init yung mga ulo natin kasi hindi natin alam yung panibagong regulasyon kapag ikaw ay pauwi ng Pilipinas. So this is the latest. Maraming salamat po sa inyong patuloy na pagsubaybay, tiwala at suporta sa aming channel Dayton Squad. Kung kayo man po ay may mga katanungan, maaari lang pong mag-comment sa video ito at sasagutin po natin yan sa abot ng ating makakaya. Muli kabayan, ako'y nagpapasalamat at naway ang inyong biyaheng papuntang Pilipinas man or paalis ay maging smooth, hassle-free at stress-free. Magkita-kita po tayo sa ating susunod na travel update. Stay safe, stay healthy, and God bless everyone.